Hi guys, Sanbanani. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Naphili. Ngiyabonga you guys for coming. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like a video, and also ubuke ama ads. So, okay, on this particular one, you guys, I'm not going to talk that much. I'm still on that Onezwa and Unara Smith issue. I've been trying to follow it. I now understand better what the problem is, you guys. Honestly, people on Ezra's side, there are people on Nara Smith's side. So for me, I felt like it's unfair for Nara to kind of like not give a shout out to Onezwa, especially if she is inspired by Onezwa. She must just at least give a shout out, even if she went to Nara's I don't know, maybe Facebook page or maybe TikTok account, and then she goes into her own thing. Like people are saying, guys, it's not copying, because now you can be inspired by someone. Basically, you go on your kitchen, now you do your own thing differently. It's not like Mhlawumbe she was taking Onezwa's videos and posting on her channel. She just goes and copy what Onezwa does, and then she goes to do her own things. Not copying, she's just inspired. But what is wrong with giving a shout out? Look, you know what, I was inspired by this person, I understand you guys. Vele imbono is a so in this particular one, let us listen to Usomizi. I see Usomizi did speak about this particular issue and also gave advice where he wants to give advice to Onezwa. So for me, mangabe issue in you guys, because a lot of people are saying, guys, it's not copying. There's a lot of people who will watch you here on the internet. Internet is internet. Mudabe inspired by what you do or what you said, and then they go to their own channels, and then they do maybe similar thing, but it's not like they took your video and they went and they posted on their channel. They saw what you're doing and then they do it their own way. That's how I get. But anyways, you guys when it comes to this particular issue. I'm just here with Somizi's video, you guys. So okay, man. If mangabe injalo, for me, I would like Onezwa to just take her content to a platform where she's gonna earn money. I know it's painful ukuthi mangabe she feels like people are copying her. Got TikTok, especially where she doesn't make money, and those people are gonna be doing that side, but not in that side they earn money from it, she doesn't earn anything. People are like, oh, so when you are blaming Unara because when you're not making money in South Africa. So girl, take your content to Facebook or to YouTube, something like that. Always khona ukuthi uzokwenza imali. Thatha ama videos wakho wafaka kuma platforms la, always khona ukuthi now you will monetize. That's me. That's me. She can just do that as long as Unara didn't take your videos and post it. She came, she saw you, she was inspired, and then she went to do a different thing in a different kitchen. Even if she did the similar thing, post an amhlanje and post kusasa, or post an amhlanje and post kusasa. You know what I mean? But anyway, let us listen to Somizi about the whole particular issue.
There's these two women who are doing amazing things on the internet, but for themselves as well. And I saw that Onezwa is like saying, I'm no longer going to be posting, blah, 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 which I completely understand. It can be frustrating when you know your truth, that somebody is copying you and they're not even giving credit. If maybe somebody's copying you and they're saying, I'm inspired by so-and-so's idea, and I thought I should do it my way, then it changes the whole thing. But now, Onezwa is frustrated because Nara allegedly is stealing her content, and that's why she doesn't want to post. And yet, on the other hand, I'm a fan of Nara as well, and I'm thinking, wow, this woman, number one, I would never aspire to be Nara, to be cooking everything from scratch 3 times a day. No, I love cooking, I love food, but I admire her. Like, wow, girl, viva you, viva that. Now, my advice to Onezwa is that she should not give up. She should not stop. Because in life we get tested. In life we get tested in different ways. And here's this woman who does amazing stuff, organic stuff, from scratch, wow, Onezwa. I've been looking at your page. I think I follow you now. She's super amazing. And And for me, it would be sad if she gives up or if she stops posting, because honestly, you never know who's watching. You never know who will come at the time that is right. You never know when God or the universe is going to reward you. People get rewarded at different times. And if you know from your heart of hearts that nobody can do it like you, we will copy and copy whatever. Nobody can do it like you. Also, you know that you're not the first one to do it, and you're definitely not going to be the last one. But nobody's going to do it like you. Your time will come. Run your race at your own time, at your own pace, in your own lane, if you know what I mean. And if your intentions and your heart is pure, you will be rewarded, and you will understand why it did not happen now and it happened later. You can't give the negative energy the power to stop what God has given you. No matter how many people copy you and they don't give credit, or they're getting paid more than you, you can't, and you shouldn't. And even if you don't get paid, you're doing something that fulfills your heart and your spirit, and that's what you are called for. So you cannot lose. That is more valuable than the money that Nara is making. And now you have even given her more attention than she had already. So you are feeding into the monster that is trying to distract you from doing what you were meant to do on this earth. Personally, I have experienced people copying me. I'll give you an example about myself, and I'm not trying to self-zwaganga. But me, my emotional maturity is on another level. I've seen people doing exactly what I do, and what I have started maybe, or what I've made to be popular, because even myself, I was inspired by a lot of people. Like RuPaul has inspired me, and I was one of the first people first males to rock a weave and a frontal and tonton. And when everybody started doing it, I didn't have a problem, because there's nothing wrong with everybody doing it, one. But there are those individuals that you can see with, even myself, when I look at their video, I'm like, well, when was I at this place? And like, no, it's not me. But my emotional maturity says they will never do it like I do, one. Well, the difference between me and you, and I understand why you're frustrated, is that still, even when they copied me, I still made more money than them. But it shouldn't be about money. You must realize the power and the anointing that you have around you, and don't drop the ball just because somebody is copying you, if they are copying you. Because I still say Nara is still amazing, because she puts time and effort. But I understand as well, and people say because Nara is affluent and she's got money and blah 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 blah. Who said Oneza is poor? Oneza is not poor. No, it is expensive to do what Oneza is doing. So you have to be Mjojo. Oneza is Mjojo. She has everything that she wants. So my advice to Oneza: don't give up, my sister. We are watching you. We are supporting you. And by me saying that as well does not mean I discredit Nara. Let's just move forward. But just do your thing, my sister. Just do your thing. You will understand. This is a test. This is when one day you're going to look back and say, "Ush, I nearly gave up, but look at me now." You're going to do amazing things. You're gonna create amazing things that are going to live generations to come. You're going to create an empire that no other black person has done in the world. No other black woman has done in the world. There's so much in you that I hope you do see. So my message for you, Onezwa, please focus. Focus. Look at me. I woke up this morning and I made my croissant and jam from scratch. Onezwa. And I don't complain which people are copying me. So please, my baby,